Hey guys, how's it going? It's Chris Lemig here. Welcome to Gateway to the Limitless. Please subscribe to this channel, and this is where you can find great videos with guided meditations on connecting with your true self, law of attraction, manifesting, just connecting with your true desires and true destiny. And today I'm going to do a guided meditation, going to do a guided kind of law of attraction or manifesting meditation here, where we're going to really step into connecting with your true self, right? That's that pure, highest form of your being, the part of you that is connected to the source of all things, and in fact is the source of all things. It's the source of wholeness and oneness that we are connected to all the time. It's got tremendous creative power. It's got tremendous healing power. So we're going to connect in with that, because that's how we start all of our meditations here, connecting with your true self. When you start to align yourself with your true self, you know that we're always going to be guided in the right way. We're going to be guided in the direction of your highest benefit and your highest good. So as we do this today, we'll just kind of keep refreshing that. Keep that in mind, that your higher self is always guiding the process, your true self. Sometimes I use those synonymously, true self, higher self. They're both the same thing, referring to the same thing. So what we're going to do today is I'd like you to just pick something that you would like to manifest in your life, whether it's some sort of a material outcome, or whether it's some sort of an improved emotional state, like more confidence, or just better self-esteem, or just feeling great about yourself. Whatever it might be, whether it's material, whether it's more emotional, whether it's spiritual, whatever it is, just go ahead and take a moment now to just kind of think about what it is that you want to really accomplish. What is it that you really want to have be appearing in your life? And as you get a clearer picture of that, just kind of tune in to your breathing, and go ahead and take a nice deep breath when you're ready, and just on the exhale, just let your eyes close down if they're not already. That's right. And just as you begin to notice your eyes being closed, just go ahead and just feel them relaxing. Because actually the interesting thing is that because your eyes are closed, that means that all the muscles in your eyelids are actually relaxed. They're loose and they're limp. That's the only way for your eyes to be closed. And so because your eyes are closed, you can know that your eyes are relaxing more and more with each breath. And as you simply begin to relax more and more with each breath, begin to become aware of your breathing. And just simply notice your breathing. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breathing now. As air enters your lungs, exhaling in and out, ebbing and flowing gently, easily, and more relaxed now. That's right. And as you notice your breathing, you can begin to think about how each breath that you take, you draw in trillions of molecules of oxygen. And with each breath that you take, trillions of molecules of oxygen are being absorbed into your lungs now. And your lungs know how to deliver that oxygen through the bloodstream to each cell of your body. And each cell of your body is absorbing the oxygen now. Aware of the oxygen as soon as it arrives. And each cell of your body somehow knows what to do with the oxygen. Transforming and transmuting the oxygen in just the right ways to support your life. And isn't it good to know that this deep intelligence of your being is operating all the time? This deep and loving intelligence, managing all the biological processes of your body, communicating with all the systems of your organs, your nervous system, and your brain. That's right. And as you notice this loving intelligence permeating your whole body and your whole being now, you can begin to imagine a stream of white light just pouring down from just above the top of your head and just streaming down into your body. And this light is from the source of who you are, the source of all things. The limitless source of love, compassion, creativity, joy, bliss, and awareness. And as that light fills your heart, you can imagine now that light spreading throughout your whole body. Filling up every cell with loving light, blissful energy and joy. Simply imagine it happening now. And that loving, healing energy and intelligence knows exactly what to do. Knows exactly where to go. Knows exactly what to heal and what to release now. So that you can begin to imagine and picture and feel your future. A new future. A new future that you're getting ready to co-create now. To design according to your true wishes, to meet your true needs and the highest possible good. Simply begin to imagine now. Imagine that future. Imagine what it's going to feel like. Imagine what it's going to look like. Imagine what it's going to sound like. Imagine what it's going to taste like. See yourself in that future now. See yourself embodying all the qualities that make that future possible now. See how you hold yourself. Who you're with. And what you're doing. And I want you to go ahead now and to feel that future. Uplift yourself to match the emotional feeling of that future you. Feel it in your body now. Vibrating through every cell. Higher and higher frequencies of positive emotional energy. Of joy. Of fulfillment, of worthiness, of wholeness, completeness, and love. That's right. And I want you to step into that future now. Step into that future and experience that future as if it's happening now. Simply imagine it, only imagine it happening now. Feel it through your senses. Experience it with your whole being now. So that when this future arrives, you'll recognize it. Because it's already familiar to you now. Simply imagine it happening. Simply imagine experiencing it now. That's right. And when you're ready, simply begin to become aware of your body in the present moment. But it's not the same body that it was when you began. Because you've experienced something new. The cells of your body have experienced a new frequency, a new energy. New neural pathways have been formed. New expectations of a new future. And when you're ready, simply open your eyes as you step into that new future, starting right now. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that spontaneous meditation today. Listen to it whenever you like, whenever you want to reacquaint yourself with the memory of your new future. And you can do that for really any goal that you have, whether it's, again, emotional or material. It can be something like, hey, I've got a test to take and I want to imagine myself doing really well and passing, or a job interview, or, heck, going on a date, or whatever it is. Just imagine yourself there doing it with all the confidence and the qualities and the, emotional fortitude that you need to enjoy the experience and to manifest just exactly what it is that you want. So again, my name is Chris Lemig. Welcome again to my channel, Gateway to the Limitless. Please subscribe, like this video, comment down in the comments if you found it helpful, or if you have any suggestions. I'm always open to that. Love hearing your comments, love hearing your suggestions. And I've got some information down in the description where you can find out more about my workshops. And I still am seeing some select folks at select times for private coaching sessions and hypnosis. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out as well. Take care and be well.